Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about bit shift registers. How we can use the bit shift left and bit shift right command in the XINJE PLC. Already in previous videos in the other lectures in Siemens, Swatek and Mitsubishi already I explained about the this bit shift command, how we can use. But now in this XINJ PLC, how we can use this bit shift left and right command. So let's do with the practical. Open is, I will open my XC Pro tool software which is using for the XINJ PLCs. It's very simple and easy method. When you like to search this command, you can just go into the instruction help window and there is a in data move instruction you can find the instructions. Sorry, this is not a data move instruction, this is data shift instructions. Here is a many of commands, but we are now talking about this one, bit shift left and bit shift right command, how this is works and why this use command. First of all, we will take the internal memory bit, for example LDM0, for example first bit I choose, so and click enter, and next we have to be type this command SFTL, for example. If we like to go to from right to left moves the bits, so we use this SFTL. And next we have to be choose any memory, for example M0 also I choose, and next you have to be tell yani how much bits you like to, or yani starting your address. For example M10 I will choose, M0 to M10, and K16, for example this is 16-bit data, we will use the K16. And how much bits you like to be moved, 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bits. For an example we will choose the first 1 bit, so we have to be write the K1. This is very simple, yani any 1 bit if you like to move from right to left, so you have to be type this symbol, look like text. And in next one more we will be take M, for example LD M1 we will take, and next we will type the SFTR, because of this we have to be used for right to left, and now we need to be right to left, use the bits. So and next we will take, this is look like M1 to M10 and K16 and K1, for example, and click enter. And now we will download this program to the PLC, and wait a second, we have to be communicate our cable with the PLC, and now we will try to download. Now it's okay, and download this program into the PLC, and after we will monitor in the window. For monitoring, how we can just click it the run, as this run cycle will be run after you can, your program is now running, and here is a green signal, of conditions of your software is showing. So for the monitoring we have to be click on the data monitor, and you will be find some here memory bits and all things here. When you like to be read for M, so you have to be click for M, yani from M0, M10, M20, this is the all internal memory bits, and how it moves we can define it here. So just very simple, we will click it on the, for example M0, when it's on you can see this is all bits are now on. Why it's on? Because of this maybe old memory is not cleaned. So just I will be stop first, and again I will type make it on, and again we will be test. 1 second, we have to be wash the memory first. this is the what's the problem. This is we using, this is direct M0, so we have to be choose this rising edge, for example, because we have to be give the just only one signal. If we're giving this direct, this is many pulses giving the one time. If we use this uh, rising edge, after it will be giving, when we make it on, only one pulse give to the command. Again download into the PLC and run the PLC. And now we will give the signal, and one signal when we give, this is, you can see, this is first signal is on from the M10, you can see, and one more when I signal give there, you can see this is the next signal is now on, means this is moves into the next condition. This is not we make the program for reset. When we make the program for reset, it will be off, yani manually also you can, for testing method you can make. After this shift moves into the next M2, again I give the signal. Now you can see this is the next M2 is on, and as I give the signal next more, it moves into the 3 number bit. Again I will stop and again make it on, it moves into the 4 signal, right? So this way it's moves continue up to 8 bits, on off, but it is now only we are using for testing purpose, because of that physical input signal. You can also choose it here x1 x2 from the field signal. Basically this shift left or right command is why using in the programs of the filling projects, packing projects, one by one, yani step by step it's working. So next we will stop this one, and now we will check to the left to right. I will make it a signal gives at the M1, and you can see this is our next bit is on, and when I make it again on, can see this is the going to back, yani first this is going to left to right, and now it's right to left working. Again off, again on, off, on, off, on. You can see it's moving to the right side. So now we understand about stop this simulation, and this is k1 we write, because of 1 bits move into the next. If we like to 2 bits move, you just type it here k2 and click enter, and here also you can type it 2 and click enter, and after again download into the PLC. After it will moves the 2 bits. Again PLC makes the starting, and now we will make the on and off. You can see this is the first bit M10 is now on. Again I make it on. You can see this is the 2 bits move, yani one it sleeps. Again I make it on. Can see this is next 4 number bit is on. Again I off. Again make it on. This is the next 2 bits. Again I make it off. Again make it on. Can see this is the, yani continuous serial wise, yani 1 bits moves into the next. And if you like to, for example, this is left to right, this is like closed, and when you click it, this one is on, yani again off, and again make it on. You can see it comes to back, yani right to left, right. This is now, this is on. So this way, if you like to be make it for 3 you can make it here, write the 3 and click enter and make it the for 3, and again download into the PLC and make it on, and now we will make the first bit and make it off, and next when signal came, it will be on the 3 bits, yani can see leave the two bits and next three bits moves, and same as again I will give, next three bits will be on. So this continuously this procedure moves. How much you can decide it here. Yani in this program you can use for the traffic signals. You can use in this program in the filling projects. Any bottles are filling or any you can packing some sugar packings or whatever. This is it depends on your logic, but the basically this is shift left command moves the bits into the next bits. Hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.